Mama, this is the woman I want to marry.
Thank you both for coming.
Of course, we're glad to be here.
You're very beautiful. Are you educated?
Yes, ma.
Are you working?
Yes, ma.
Good. Let me explain our family rule. Rule number 1, you don't go out without my permission.
Okay, ma.
Rule number 2, no fancy outfits. You will always wear long gowns.
Yes, ma.
Rule number 3, no wigs. You will make your hair with attachment only. Rule number 4, whenever your husband is angry, you kneel and apologize, whether it is your fault or his. Rule number 5, if you catch him cheating, you will not shout. You will pray and make sure he eats well. Rule number 6, you will take care of me. Rule number 7, nah hanging out. You will stay indoors always. It's well. Rule number 8, I want 8 or 9 grandchildren. He is my only son. 9 children! Yes, nah. Rule number 9, every Saturday evening, you massage my feet. Rule number 10, you can't leave the house without my permission. Rule number 11, before you go to the market, I must see the list of the things you want to buy. Rule number 12, you will stop working. You will be a full housewife. My son has money. Hope you understand. Ma, with all these rules, it's obvious I'm not coming in as a wife. You just need a maid. I cannot live like this. I can't stop chasing my career because I'm married. My daughter, don't be scared. All these rules are not hard. I just want you to know what's expected so tomorrow you won't complain.
Okay, Mama, no problem. Ma, please excuse me. I want to answer a call outside.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. On top your son with a cheat like goats?